we decided to do interviews to girls from Alpes and Javier to know how much they know about climate change in the oceans.
Yeah, so we decided to take a girl from primary school and one girl from high school to see how different they respond and how do they learn in primary school and what do they learn in high school.
And how much they care about this issue that is currently happening in the world.
Hello, so today we're going to interview this girl from Alpes and Javier. She's in primary school, so we're going to do some questions. Are you ready, Mariana?
No.
No? Well, sorry, I have to do the questions. Is everything about what you know already, okay? There are not good or right answers, or wrong answers, okay?
Okay.
Do you think climate gets affected because of the pollution on the ocean?
Yes,
Why?
because the water is polluted sometimes and it enters to the water of the ocean.
And how does it affect the climate?
Because I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Why do you think the poles are melting?
Because we are polluting the air
Mm-hmm.
and we are like getting hot the air
Mm-hmm.
and it's getting more hot and the
Poles melt. Okay. And how do you relate the climate and the ocean?
They are natural.
They are both natural resources, right? Okay. And do you learn this at school? Everything you know about ocean, climate, did you learn this at school?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Thank you very much, Mariana. See you later.
Hello, today we are with Michelle Marcosian. She's a student here in Alpes and Javier from high school. And today we're gonna ask her some questions. How are you, Michelle?
Fine, thank you. And you, Denise?
Good, thank you. Okay, so I'm going to ask you some questions about climate change in the oceans. Do you know something about it?
Well, I just know that for the past few years there's been a drastic change and the poles are melting.
Okay, good. First question. Do you think the climate gets affected because of the pollution on the ocean?
I don't know, I never really thought about that, but now that you mention it, I think it could be a factor, yes.
Okay. Number 2. Why do you think the poles are melting?
Well, I think it's pretty obvious because the temperatures are rising and the ice caps are melting.
Oh, okay, good. Number 3. How will you relate the climate and the ocean? How can you think they're both related?
I think they are both related because there's climate in the ocean and the ocean in a way marks the climate.
Okay. And do you learn this at school about climate, ocean, some topic about it?
Yes, I've been learning this in geography, oceanography, climate change, global warming.
And do you find it interesting?
Really interesting. I love geography class.
And what can you do to change these problems in the ocean about the climate temperature?
I believe that change starts in your own backyard. So, for example, in this school, I'm going to put my trash in the right trash can. My food in the green trash can, and the package of my Doritos in the blue one. Starting with that.
And less water use.
Yes, use less water. Yes.
Thank you.
Graphic explanation with drawings about how the pollution in the ocean can affect the climate change. So first we have the sea. The sea has their own temperature, but with pollution it gets warmer. And when it gets warmer, it starts affecting the clouds. When clouds are warm, they consume more water. So that means it rains more. And when it rains more, when it is not rain season, it starts changing the climate of the cities.